To a mixing bowl, add 450 to 500 grams of sourdough discard, 2 large eggs, 50 grams of honey, 25 grams of oil, 5 grams of salt, and 5 grams of baking powder. Mix well. Cook in your preheated waffle maker according to the manufacturer's instructions. Repeat with the remainder of the batter. This recipe makes 5 waffles. Feel free to add any inclusions you desire. Add vanilla, cinnamon, or citrus zest to the batter, and add fruit, chocolate, or sprinkles to the waffle maker. And that's it. Sourdough discard waffles. Enjoy! Thanks so much for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more.